Welcome to White Hat Ways. In this video, we'll be learning about daily budget. The daily budget refers to the amount your ad groups, ads and keywords in one single campaign are allowed to spend on any given day. What it means is that for every campaign that you are running, you are required to set in a daily budget which your campaign is gonna consume in one particular day. Google can spend up to double of your daily budget on any given day, so you won't miss upon those valuable clicks. So let's say you are setting the daily budget as rupees 400 in your particular campaign, like I have set in over here. So 400 is what I have set over here, and this is the daily budget that I have set for my campaign. Now, what this particular point says is that Google can spend double your daily budget on any given day. For any given day, Google can go ahead and it has the leverage of going above my daily budget and spending it or consuming it double the amount, which in this case will be 800 rupees. But it would not do it just like that, only and only if Google presumes that the clicks that you might get are worthy enough and they might result in a conversion or a sale of your product or service. It might go ahead and consume double the amount of your daily budget, which in this case is 400 rupees. So as it is saying also, so that you won't miss upon those valuable clicks. So if Google presumes or if Google thinks that doubling the budget might let more of conversions for you on a one particular day, it might go ahead and do that. However, over the course of month, you won't be charged more than your average daily budget into average number of days in a month, which is 30.4. So in this case, it would not consume more than 400 into 30.4 on a month basis. It might not overcharge you for the month. However, using its artificial intelligence, if it thinks that on a single day, lots and lot of worthy people whose clicks might lead to a conversion of your product or services are coming, and they can result in a sale for you, which is ultimately a revenue also for you, then it might go ahead and utilize double the amount that you set over here. As it is saying over here also, for the month you won't pay more than your daily budget times the average number of days in a month, which is 30.4. However, some days you might spend less also than your daily budget, and on other days you might spend up twice as much. So there might be some days when you are not getting that good clicks, and when the people are not coming to Google and they are not worthy people, or their clicks might not result into a conversion, and Google knows it better than us. Why? Because Google is dealing with them every now and then. Google has a lot of data. Google can predict. Google has an artificial intelligence fed into it, so why not utilize it? So that is why Google says that, if ever I feel that there is a probability of you getting a conversion, I might go ahead and overcharge and overspend your budget, but till the extent of double the amount of the daily budget limit that you have set over here. However, on the next day, if I feel that not worthy clicks are coming, I might not even spend that much of the amount, not even half or not even quarter of that amount. So over a period of month, it would still keep your average monthly budget to be the same, and it would not overcharge you. Getting back to the slide again. The last point it says is, this is because if on any given day you can get more impressions and conversions of keywords that you want to get, then we can give them to you, and then we might not spend more on the next day, which would ultimately do what? Bring down your average monthly budget to be the same. It would not overcharge you. However, it will still apply its artificial intelligence and if ever it feels, it might overspend till the double of the daily budget limit. So with this, I end up this video. Thanks a lot for listening to me. Do subscribe to White Hat Ways. Thanks.